Good morning guys, happy Sunday. Today I'm just gonna have you guys spend the Sunday with us. We've got quite a few things on the agenda today. Last night we actually hosted our Friendsgiving and it was so much fun to have all of our friends over. Now we're just kind of like resetting the house, cleaning everything up. We gotta go to Costco, we gotta go to the grocery store. I think my mom's gonna come over at some point. We're gonna hang out. We've got a few things on the agenda for this Sunday and I want you guys to spend it with us. I am honestly exhausted. Something about not getting the right amount of sleep and then having to wake up and deal with a toddler. And we have to go through the morning as normal, even without all of that sleep, is so hard. I'm like dragging. Ever since we moved back to New Jersey in July, we've had something at our house, like hosted a little party every single month. It's a little exhausting, but it's so fun. We love doing it. And it's not even because I drank. I literally had like a cup of sangria yesterday, which was really good, by the way. I have to show you guys how I make it sometime. Anyways, let's clean the house up a little bit and then go head out and do some errands. We have to bring like everything from downstairs upstairs because we have to like clear out the space and make enough room. So I have to bring everything back downstairs now and reset our living room. If you guys have gotten married or are getting married, I definitely recommend this newly named kit. This is like not sponsored whatsoever. This just happened to be on top of the stack of papers I'm bringing down. And I was like, I should bring this up because I don't know if people know about this, but it's literally a service that you use their website and you put in like all of this information and they send you the forms to update your name for like everything, like driver's license, passport, Facebook, Instagram, my bank accounts, like all that kind of stuff I haven't done yet. They just give you like all the rules, regulations, and how to do everything in here. So just thought I would mention that in case anybody happens to be in the market for something like that. All right, Daddy is vacuuming the house. Nolan is being adorable, of course. He's got nothing to say. We're just gonna finish up resetting the house and then we're gonna head out to some errands.
Costco!
Why do we love going to Costco?
Samples.
There we go. Turkey stuff after you cook a turkey. My husband is making a homemade turkey stock.
You take some carrots, some celery, a bit of garlic, and all your remains of your turkey. Throw it in a pot with enough water to cover everything. Bring it to a boil and then simmer it for 4 to 6 hours.
For us, but we have these gluten-free bagels that are like the saddest, flattest little bagels I've ever seen. If you live in New Jersey or New York or the tri-state area, you know our bagels and bread are elite. When we lived in Texas, it was the saddest thing ever that we couldn't get a good pizza or bagel for the life of us. So we're very appreciative of having all of that now that we're here. And I've always got a little visitor whenever I eat. for the day. Nolan is wearing this really cute set from Target. We're off to run our errands. We're all loaded up in the car. Nolan is asleep. Nolan fell asleep apparently, which I don't know how that happened. I swear 2 seconds ago he was like awake. You know what I want to talk about is why you crave Chick-fil-A the most on Sundays. It's cruel and unusual punishment that they were closed on Sundays. So we'll see. We might maybe try and get something before we go so he can sleep a little bit more. So we did end up stopping. We got Pliables, which if you live in New Jersey, are they only in New Jersey?
Pennsylvania, North Carolina.
Florida, maybe? No, I think they're only in, yeah, they're in a select few states, but it is the absolute best acai bowl place. Like, I've literally never been to a place that compares. Phil got the cocoa power bowl. He always gets half of the pitaya, half of the cocoa base. And I got a booster smoothie, and I got the 20 ounce, the big size, because I know inevitably Nolan's going to want to share with me. So he is awake, as you can hear. We're gonna head to Costco, and we made it to the land of Costco. His mouth literally has not left this straw in like 5 minutes. The first thing we always have to do is walk through the electronics department because of this guy.
Yep.
We did some damage. This is not our normal, but we were just feeling crazy. All right, we are all done at Costco. That was a whopping $559 later. We definitely did a little bit of impulse shopping, but not too bad because some of this stuff was stuff that I've been eyeing for a while. I'll show you guys everything that we got when we get home, but we're gonna go visit Phil's dad. He's in the hospital for a little bit. He's fine, but we're just gonna go and visit him and head home, and Nolan will take a nap. We'll unpack the groceries, and yeah. Let's do a quick Costco haul because we definitely did some damage. We got our favorite spicy chicken breast. This is so easy to just throw into the air fryer and make a meal out of it. This organic hard-boiled eggs for a quick and easy meal or snack for my son, and also my husband loves them. The Starbucks egg bites, they sell them at Costco. Some organic eggs. I literally think I squealed like a little girl on Christmas when I saw these. These mini quiches are my favorite Costco item. They're so buttery and delicious for like a quick breakfast. These little snacking mozzarellas are also my son's favorite snack. This is a new one for us, the hickory smoked turkey bacon. Rouse was on sale, which is the best pasta sauce, so we had to stock up on the marinara. So cute. They have a little advent calendar for dogs, so of course we had to get one. These are little treats they have in there. This little cozy jacket, it's like a Sherpa like shirt jacket. It was like I think $12.99, such a good deal. So cozy. They had it in a like rusty red color and a blue color as well. Churro donut bites. Ooh, I think they're gonna be so good. I also haven't seen these in a while. These are these smoothie melts. They have really great ingredients and they're gonna be perfect snacks for my son. The Costco croissants, of course. Can you tell we like these? Another great quick snack for the workday, these balance breaks with Ritz and wheat thins. We got a steak and ground beef. We like to keep one of the ground beefs out and then we put the rest in the deep freezer. Huge thing of baking soda, so many uses for this, and I've been on like a non-toxic or low toxic home journey, and every time I look up things about like non-toxic cleaning and things like that, baking soda and distilled white vinegar, which we also got a huge thing of, is the #1 thing they use. So I was like, let me stock up and see different ways I can use this rather than spending money on a lot of like the really expensive non-toxic stuff, which is still good, but it's really expensive. So my favorite maple syrup, I put this in my matcha every morning. They had a sample of this and it was so good. This is chicken Alfredo tagliatelle with fresh spinach. And then we got a new blender. Did we need this? No. But did I see JC Marie on YouTube using this and fell in love with how freaking cute this blender is? Yes. This is the last thing we picked up at Costco today. It is this new rug for Nolan's room, and it is literally the softest material in the whole world. It feels honestly like mink. It's a faux fur little throw. I don't really like the whole animal pelt looking style usually, but when we felt this, I was like, this is so soft. We need this in his room just because. It's another day now, but I didn't end up getting an outro for this video. Well, I did, but it ended up recording in slow zoom, which was very rude. I hope you guys enjoyed spending the Sunday with us. Don't forget to subscribe to see what else we're up to and for future videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.
My headspace been weaker, it's been waiting for the right day. Like the right day ever comes, now it's Friday. and